The body mass index, or BMI, helps to clarify the important distinction between being overweight or obese. If you weigh too much, you are obviously overweight. But if you have a very high proportion of body fat, you are obese. Based on your body mass index, your doctor or other healthcare professional will classify your weight as healthy, overweight, or obese. And if you are watching Richflava for the first time, hit the subscribe and bell button to get all our updates. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute (NHLBI), the BMI describes body weight relative to height and is correlated with the total body fat content of most adults. In almost all cases, this means that the BMI will accurately reflect your weight and proportion of body fat as a function of your height and weight when you are categorized as healthy, overweight or obese. Calculating your approximate body mass index is relatively straightforward, although you may need a calculator just to save time. Multiply your weight in pounds by 703 to get your BMI. Next, divide the result by your inch height. Then divide the result one more time by your height inches. As an example, let's say you weigh 180 pounds and you're 5 feet 10 inches tall. Multiply 180 by 703 to 126,540. Next, divide this by 70 inches is the same as 5'10", to get to 1,807.7. Now, one more time, divide 1,807.7 by 70. The result, 25.8, is your approximate BMI or body mass index. If the above example sounds like you might be surprised to learn that you are ever so slightly heavier than your doctor might want. The BMI from 18.5 to 25 is considered healthy, the BMI from 25 to 30 is classified as overweight, and the BMI from 30 to 25 is considered obese. Generally, the higher the person's BMI, the higher the risk of health problems, says the NHLBI. In addition to causing your BMI to skyrocket, excess body fat is a well-known health risk. Both men and women with waistlines of more than 40 and 35 inches are at higher risk for health problems such as type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. Like every thumb rule, this one has an exception as well. Bodybuilders, for example, often have a body mass index above 25 and sometimes above 30. In this case, however, the higher BMI reflects the fact that bodybuilders have more muscle mass without more fat. Finally, there's only one sure way to lower your BMI if you're overweight or obese: eat less and exercise more. Your body burns more calories than you eat, and your body mass index is going down over time. Don't forget to give us a thumb up and tell us what do you think in the comment section. For more info, check the links in the description below. See you next video.